The Noozle3D Winder Launcher Link is a very simple product that allows you to connect two Beyblade X winders together. What you get in the package is the launcher link itself along with the handle to connect both winders together. The link itself is very straightforward. It's divided into two sides that fit into each individual launcher separately. Each Beyblade X winder has a segment on either side of the launcher. It doesn't matter which side you use, but these segments are crucial to using the launcher link. Matching up those segments is how you will attach the launcher link. Line up the launcher link with one of those segments. Insert it firmly until the bottom portion clips over the edge of the launcher. Repeat that step with the opposite side of the launcher link for your second launcher. Now you've successfully linked your launchers. They shouldn't be coming apart. Let's move on to the winders. The handle is designed to hold two winder launchers to make it easier to launch both Beyblades. Insert the gaps on the inside of the winder handle. This ensures the handle will not come off during use. Feed the winders back into the launcher and you're ready to go. With any other questions, email support@noozle3d.com.